When Trump announced the naval blockade of Hormuz on Sunday, Britain responded within hours. Starmer told the BBC, "We are not supporting the blockade. The UK is not getting dragged in." That sentence is easy to read past. It shouldn't be. The UK has a carrier strike group, nuclear submarines, minesweepers, decades of operational experience alongside the US Navy. It has the capability. It said no. Think about what the UK has said yes to. Iraq 2003, the UK joined despite no UN mandate and massive public opposition. Afghanistan, in from day one. Libya, flew strikes. Syria participated in targeted operations. Every significant US military operation in the Middle East for the last 25 years, Britain was there. This time, not our war. No lawful basis, no clear plan, not getting dragged in. And then, while refusing to join the blockade, Britain convened a coalition of 40 nations to reopen the strait through a completely separate, independent multilateral plan. Without the US, with France, 40 countries, a parallel framework to achieve the same stated goal through entirely different means. London and Washington want the same thing, an open strait. They have just decided to get there in ways that are now pointing in opposite directions. That is not disagreement about tactics. That is publicly stated divergence between the closest military allies in the world on a live military operation. It has almost never happened at this level, not this explicitly, not this fast.